budding artists! Are you ready to step into a world of colors and creativity? Today, we're going to draw something super fun and colorful, a foot with rainbow nail polish. Let's dive in! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your trusty black marker, and let's begin by sketching out the outline of a foot with 5 fingers and nails. Let's make those nails nice and big so we have plenty of space to add some colorful polish. Wow! Now, let's draw the nail polish bottle next to our foot. Sketch out the bottle shape and don't forget the cap and the brush. This bottle is going to hold our magical rainbow colors. Before we add color, let's go over our drawing with the black marker again to make the outlines bold and sharp. This will make our artwork pop and stand out. Today, we're going to use watercolor to bring our drawing to life. Let's start by creating a custom color for our foot. Mix together some red, brown, and white to create a skin color. Once we have our color ready, let's paint the foot. Now, let's add some flair to those nails. Using our watercolor palette, let's paint each nail a different color of the rainbow. Awesome! Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Ocean blue color. Brown color. Purple color. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. bottle green color. Blue color. Purple color. Red color. Now, let's use the black color to make the outlines neat, clean, and bold. Wow! Fantastic job, little artist! You've created a masterpiece with colorful flair. Keep exploring your creativity, and don't be afraid to add your own unique touch to your artwork.
La da 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 dee.
Yay! forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.